of the 14th graduation day, today we celebrate the hard work, perseverance, and achievement of our graduates who are now ready to embark on new journey of impact and innovations. I, Dr. T. Vani Madhavi, 25th Controller of Examinations, RBBRR Women's College, take the privilege of reporting that 562 graduates of the academic year 2023 and 2024 will be honored with their degree certificates. The results declared for the year 2023 and 2024 is 88% and 99% respectively. Dear graduates, today you receive a degree to gain the responsibility to use your education to contribute to society, the knowledge, skills, and values you have gained. Here, we will help you face challenges, seize opportunities, and make a difference in the world. Education is a lifelong journey, and this is only the beginning. Carry forward the legacy of this institution with integrity, compassion, and curiosity. As you step into the world of rapid change and endless opportunities, remember that true success lies not only in personal achievement, but in the positive impact you make on others. Strive to be agents of change, champions of inclusivity, and be long life learners. Let this convocation remind you of your achievement and inspire you for the future. Wherever you go, remember that this institution will always be a pillar of support and pride for you. Congratulate to each and one of you. May your journey ahead be filled with purpose and fulfillment. Thank you.
The ceremony of the college has been called for distributing degree certificates to the candidates who have been certified to be worthy of them by the Osmania University. Will all the candidates receiving the degrees stand? Please stand up and answer 3 questions put to them by the chief guest.
As proxy to this chief guest, do you solemnly and sincerely promise that you will conduct yourself as worthy members of the university and the college, that in your daily life and conversation prove worthy of the degree? Do you solemnly and sincerely promise that you will conduct yourselves to worthy members of the society and that in your daily life the conversation prove worthy of the degree? Do you solemnly and sincerely promise to use your knowledge and efforts for the promotion of true learning and in the service of your country and fellow beings?
Friends, we will have medals presentation once our chief guest will arrive after some time, because of President's visit. Harichandana is busy, her schedule is hectic, and she informed us that she will join for some time, be with us, so she will present the medals. So right now, I request the candidates, those who are receiving degrees, to be invited. I request our guest of honor, Professor Rajendra Singh, Joint Secretary, Commissionerate of Collegiate Education, Government of Telangana, to give a brief message to the candidates. Thank you.
Respected Chief Guest of this function, Madam Harichandana, District Collector and Magistrate, Hyderabad, may join soon. And the Principal of this function college, Professor Achyuta Reddy Garu, the Secretary, Professor Mutyam Reddy Garu, and Secretary cum Correspondence, Professor Sudarshan Reddy Garu, and respected governing body members of this college, and respected the governing council members, and my dear students and parents, and print and electronic media. I am very happy to be with you because it is the greatest occasion that the 14th of this graduation day is going to be celebrating here. Almost all you might know that the principal has submitted the detailed report of the progress of this college. The college has been established in the 1954, and even the college has got the autonomy because in 1989, because nothing but it is a mini university. You are studying in the mini university. The autonomy is nothing but the university rules and regulations are also going to be implemented here. Once again, I am congratulating you all because of the active pursuance and as well as achievements in the graduation day. So the graduation is one of the very important degree which you are going to be taking here, because naturally you have to face for the two important examinations like academic oriented competitive examinations and as well as the administrative competitive examinations like the job oriented competitive examinations. If you want to become a clerk to collector, the graduation is a must and should that you achieved. For that purpose, from now onwards, you have to be concentrate on these competitive examinations because the society is the competitive society. We have to be equipped and as well as we have to improve ourselves and face because recently we have seen Ananya Reddy, she has completed the BSc degree, she got India IAS topper from the Mehboob Nagar. Why I am telling, if you want to become, because naturally these are the examinations are ready for you. Suppose if you want to go for the academic oriented examinations, preferably you better to opt for the central universities and as well as the state universities, because where you can get the good guidance and as well as the potential staff members. You are lucky, the staff members are here, they have published a lot of research papers and they are mentoring you, they are guiding you, and as well as the management is taking a lot of care. So that once again I am congratulating you, and because these are the main important examinations, so that you better to concentrate on the job oriented examinations are also like UPSC, TSPSC, like all the different types of the competitive examinations like BSRB and as well as RRB and the staff selection board, like all the different types of the competitive examinations for everything you might have, because almost all you have qualified BSc, BA, BCom, BBA, like all the important degrees you have completed, because here the very important aspect, we have to analyze ourselves. The strengths are very important. Whatever the hard work you are going to be doing, whatever the skills you are going to be equipping, the once opportunity will come, we should be ready to hit the opportunity. Opportunities are there because we have to do the hard work, because once again I am telling you, you should become because the person with a power, because we have to acquire, we have to get the power, because ultimately the hard work it gives us. Okay, with this I once again congratulating the management and as well as because the important the management for inviting me as a guest of honor. The thing is, we have to be practice well. Practice is one of the very important aspect in our life. Besides of that, the planning is one of the very important aspect. We have to make a plan for our future, because our parents have the vision on us. We have to have the vision on us. We should be the role models for our area, our locality, in our district, our college. Like being a joint director of the Commissioner Collegiate Education, we think our students might be in the hiking position, and even your teachers are also always think for your achievements, and as well as you should be the role models. And the patience, the pleasure, these are all the perfection, these are all the things we have to be perfect. And definitely I am once again wishing you for best endeavor, and because it is a competitive society, we have to make a plan for the getting of the success. So once again, I am congratulating the parents and the students and the management for the 14th, the convocation day. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Next, Aula Manisha. MSc, Aula Manisha. Next, MSc 2024 graduated students. ఎరుకుల ధరణి. నెక్స్ట్ మమత, సింగరం మమత. వంగర తనుష. అనురూప. MSc 2023. నందిని, పడ్డిగారి నందిని. షేక్ హసీనా. కే రుచిర. ఎం అనన్య. MBA 2024 graduated students. Shelgar Neha. Chanamoni Jansi. Hasina. Ruchira. Ananya. Next, MBA 2024 Neha. Sai Shivani. Yeah. Girls, whomever I'm calling, please come on to the stage. Okay. Aisha Fatima. Aisha Fatima. Yeah. Please congratulate them. Give them a round of applause. Humaira Taisin. Please come quickly. Jhansi. Deepshika Ratan. Surya Karan Laharika. Shazia Tabassum. Laharika. Tabassum. Shazia Tabassum. Nabila Fatima. Misbah Fatima. Nemanandana Divya. Sai Chikita Reddy. Palak, Isha Shri Shimpi, Sheikh Farina, next Yamini, T. Yamini, Pavela Lavanya Naga Srija. Next, BA students, UG BA students. Patlawat Maunika, Saida Fatima, Patlawat Maunika, Saida Aisha Amreen, Pravalika, Raparti Pravalika, next Chikkudu Srivani, BSc MPC students, Pogula Tejaswini, BSc MPCS, Arahala Supraja, yeah, can you please clap for them because they are awarded degrees here. Bandla Mamata, K. Maunika, at least they're friends, I think they can clap. Jalakam Gautami, B. Bhavani, Bhavani, B. Bhavani, M. Anupama, Shivatmika Reddy, Yasa Bhargavi, Racha Niharika, Niharika, Next, MSCS, BSc MSCS 2023 graduated students. Mekala Sumanasri, next, Allam Shivani, Alampalli Shivani, Momula Kirti, next, Momula Kirti, Pallavi, K. Ankita, Tatal, Shrija, Sriram Shetty, Srujana, Rani, Pinnam Shetty, Manasa, next, MS Manasa, Sushmita, V. Vaishnavi, Satvika, K. Satvika, Geeta, P. Potuka Geeta, Kosika Sirisha, next, MECS 2023 passed out students. Pratyusha, Kalal Pratyusha, G. Ravali, Ravalika, Harshita, next, D. Jannavi, D. Jannavi, Jannavi, D. Jannavi, Satyasai Mangadevi. Shailaja, Angidi Shailaja. C. Sravana Lakshmi. G. M. Rajita, Matikutla Rajita. Aswani.
639 ఒక నంబర్ మిస్ అయింది మధ్యలో.
Nitturu Aswini.
639. చేయనా చేస్తాను.
Aswini. Shalini. Karjala Shalini. Sushmita. Gayatri. Pallerla Gayatri. Ruhi Afsa, MSDS graduated students. Ruhi Afsa. K. Sravani. K. Sravani. Chinnolla Kirti Reddy. Pulimantula Saranya. Palligari Ankita. Rapol Akanksha. Solipuram Gayatri. Katravat Manasa. Kotta Nikita. Billa Ashwita. Hanumantu Pavani. Surampalli Rakshita. B. Snehalata Reddy. B. Snehalata Reddy. Next, BSc, BZC students, 2023 graduated students, BZC. Kadicherla Nandini. పల్లెల అర్చన, పొగాకు నందు, ఐల నిహారిక, దేవల్ల శ్రావణి, పల్లె లక్ష్మీప్రియ, చింతపల్లి రేఖారెడ్డి, వలుకుందర్ హారిక, కె శాలిని, కొన్నహింతోలు శాలిని, కూలే అశ్విని, రత్న నస్కూరి, MZC, BSc MZC 2023 graduated student, Salluri Srivani, Jhansi, BTCFS 2023 graduated student, Jhansi, Sheikh Nazia, Soumya, Batula Soumya, Srilipi Sara, Bojanapalli Sri Harsha, Kurapati Dhanalakshmi, Sheikh Ayusha Anjum, Balla Shailaja, M. Akshaya, Kandakuri Stravani, Saishma, Rangu Saishma, Podduturi అభినవి, పెద్ది కీర్తన, పెద్ది కీర్తన, FNBC, BSc FNBC, स्फूर्ति कुलकर्णी, कुम्मडवल्ली गायत्री, వి నమ్రత, పిండి హర్షిత, వరుగంటి అమృత భార్గవి, జి లావణ్య, మోముల మనీషా, డి ప్రసన్న కుమారి, ప్రసన్న కుమారి, కాత్యాయి హర్షిత, కాత్యాయి హర్షిత, రేణుకుంట ధనలక్ష్మి, ధనలక్ష్మి, సుకీర్తి, టి సుకీర్తి, తల్లాటి సుకీర్తి, సైదా ఆయిషా బేగం, రేణుకుంట చెరిల్, yeah. Next, FNZC students, Bangaru Pavitra, Nuti Pranati, Goli Tanya, Tanya. Divyasri. Nasia Fatima. Nayana, Gajula Nayana. Gonela Maunika. Maunika. Matla Ruchita. Samanaboina Meghana. Sheikh Farad Sultana. Mutyala Streya. Usha Nolla Lakshmi. Nana Harshika. Bandari Snehita Reddy. Next, BSc FSCCS 2023 graduated students. Garlapati Anjali. Sidra Sidika. Janamulla Sushmita. Vattikoti Manasa. Rubina Begum. Jatram Sarayu. Sai Dikshita. Burma Purnima. Pujita. Pujita. Now BCom Vannadi Akshara. Madam Chinmayi. Chinmayi. Sambaraju Shivani. Aska Pravalika. Sheikh Anjuman Begum. Netikar Isha. Isha. Afsa Batul. Next, BCom Computer Application 2023 graduated students. Varada Pujita. Ale Angelina. Sushmita. Malipatil Sushmita. Devan Amisha. Poturaju Akila. Gullam Devaki. Dharmapuri Karuna Jessica. Ramanakolu Sushma. Chintala Sirisha. Pabba Nikita. Khaja Sushmita. Yeah, can you please maintain silence? Yeah, we request you to please be quiet. Matnuru Lakshmi Sirisha.